Not everything goes as planned inside giant fruit factories.
One small mistake can stop an entire production line.
In the USA, giant fruit factories process millions every day.
But machines don't always behave perfectly.
Watch out, it's spilling again. Get the crates, quick! We can't keep up with this pace.
This causes thousands of dollars in losses. Speed is necessary, but speed creates risk. A sensor failure can misdirect the entire system. Wrong sorting means good fruit gets wasted. Even advanced automation makes mistakes. Workers must react instantly.
Some errors happen during washing.
Too much pressure can damage fresh fruits.
Packaging errors are also common.
One jam can halt the entire line.
These moments are rarely seen by the public.
Every error teaches engineers something new.
Technology reduces mistakes, but never removes them. And this is only the beginning. Sometimes a single fruit causes chaos. Misalignment leads to machine overload. This prevents contamination at every step.
Hit the emergency stop now. Get the crates, move it.
Overflow errors are surprisingly common. Temperature mistakes can ruin entire batches.
A delay here affects everything downstream.
Hit the emergency stop. Get everyone clear of the conveyor.
Manual overrides are sometimes necessary.
Even robots get confused.
This leads to massive fruit waste. Packaging machines must be perfectly timed.
It's jamming up, hit the stop. Got it. Looks like the sensor is blocked down here.
Errors like these cost thousands per minute.
Fatigue increases human error.
Routine checks prevent disasters. but skipped checks cause failures. Safety systems automatically shut everything down.
This protects workers and products.
Restarting is a slow process.
Every restart is carefully monitored.
Errors are documented for analysis.
This data improves future production.
This interlock right here ensures the machine won't start during maintenance. Always verify it's engaged.
What if the sensor fails?
That's where the manual lockout procedure comes in.
Still, perfection is impossible.
These factories never truly sleep.
Mistakes happen when scale is massive.
And more errors are coming. Sometimes errors happen at the loading stage. A single drop crate can delay production.
Weight sensors must be perfectly calibrated.
Wrong data.
Leads to wrong decisions. Here, pass it.
Sorting errors can mix bad fruit with good ones.
This increases contamination risks.
There is a slight blemish on that one.
I see it. Overall quality is high.
Rejected fruits are removed from the line.
Sometimes machines reject too much.
This creates unnecessary waste.
Packaging errors affect shipping schedules.
See, this label is wrong. These are apples.
All right, pull this one aside for rejection. We need to check the whole batch. These boxes can't leave the factory.
Cold storage errors are especially costly. Even a few degrees make a difference.
Fruits can spoil faster than expected. Maintenance delays cause repeat failures.
Old parts increase the risk of breakdowns.
Unexpected shutdowns hurt productivity.
Managers monitor every minute.
Errors peak during peak demand.
Seasonal rush increases pressure.
This gauge right here monitors the hydraulic pressure. If it drops below 20, the automated sequence will pause. Now watch the arm movement.
Training reduces risk, but takes time.
Control, this is Unit 3. The conveyor on line 4 is showing a high temp alarm.
Received, Unit 3. Check the sensor array and confirm calibration.
It looks like the conveyor belt motor is completely seized.
Yeah, and the robotic arms aren't responding either. We should call maintenance.
Every fix is carefully logged.
This helps prevent future errors.
Still, mistakes can't be eliminated.
And the camera keeps rolling.
Some errors happen too fast to stop. Cameras capture what humans miss. Small jams can grow into big problems. Production targets are instantly missed. Hygiene standards are extremely strict. Errors here trigger full sanitation.
This costs both time and money.
Managers decide fast. Managers must decide fast.
Restarting requires full checks.
One missed step can repeat the error.
Experience makes a difference.
New workers learn the hard way. Errors reveal weak points.
Design improvements follow every incident. This is how factories evolve. Millions of fruits every single day.
Mistakes are statistically inevitable.
We have a major failure in Sector 4. I repeat, Sector 4 is down. We're initiating the manual override now.
Cameras improve accountability. Every incident is reviewed.
We need to update this section on the pressure valves immediately. The current spec is outdated.
Okay, I'm inputting the revision now. I'll flag it for the next review cycle.
This keeps food safe. And workers protected. Behind every error is a fix.
And behind every fix is experience.
These factories never stop improving.
Errors may happen, but they're managed.
This is giant fruit processing in the USA.